Hello everyone, today let us take a look at the Thoovi Premium Watercolor half pan set of 12 colors. This set comes in a compact stylish tin box. It has a built-in mixing palette. This set holds 12 colors which have a very high pigment concentration and provides excellent light fastness. These colors also offer very good transparency and can be reactivated with minimal water. This palette is curated in such a way to include all possible warm colors, perfect for experimenting with landscape painting. These colors can be intermixed and we can create endless color possibilities. This is an ideal set if you love experimenting with earth and fire shades. So now let's dive into each shade and explore their true potential on paper. The colors available in this palette are Yellow Deep, Gamboge, Naples Yellow, Cadmium Orange, Red Orange, Crimson, Lemon Sienna, Red Ochre, Burnt Sienna, Deep Brown, Van Dyke Brown, and Raw Umber. Hold on till the end to see the beautiful swatches this set provides and to get inspired. I'm sure this set would definitely bring your artistic creations to life. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.